How to unfollow all the accounts you are following on Instagram with just a single tap. How to remove all following on Instagram very quickly. I will show you in this video. Maybe you have followed hundreds if not thousands of accounts on Instagram and want to unfollow all these to have a fast start. But you don't want to go through the tiring process of unfollowing one at a time. It is how you can unfollow all those accounts with just a single tap. Install this application if using Android. iPhone users can install this. The procedure is about the same for both. Open it. Log in your account. On top, you have got two options for unfollowing. Unfollow 50 from top and unfollow 50 from bottom. Under this, you have your following list. Choose the desired option. Unfollow 50 accounts at a time. Limit is there because Instagram doesn't allow unfollowing a huge number of accounts at once, and it marks it as spam if you try to do so, which can lead to account termination or similar issues. To keep you safe from these issues, the app has set this limit. Now unfollowing your following on Instagram with just a single tap to save a lot of your time.